Hello and welcome back to Home Decor. Today I am excited to share a cozy and stylish crochet project, fingerless gloves and wrist warmers. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through a range of beautiful patterns and color ideas, complete with tips to customize each for your own unique look. These accessories are perfect for keeping your hands warm while preserving fingertips mobility for typing, crafting, or using your phone. We'll explore everything from elegant lace to chunky textures, heart motifs to mosaic colorwork. Start with the classic basic ribbed wrist warmer. These are often worked in rows of half double crochet with simple ribbing for a snug fit round the wrist. Great if you are a beginner or want a clean, subtle look. Color ideas monochrome neutrals like cream, charcoal, navy, letting the textures shine. Contrast strips, choose 2 or 3 colors, switch mid row for a bold effect. Next up, elegant lacy wrist warmers often featuring shell or V stitches or foreign open airy patterns. Shell stitch design is scalloped, edge delicate and feminine, gorgeous in soft pastel hues like plush pink, mint, lavender, or classy ivory. These are ideal for transitional seasons or adding a refined touch of your outfit. Now for something rich and tactile, textured wrist warmer using bubble, puff, or popcorn stitches. Puff stitches versions add both warmth and visual interest, often made with DK weight yarn and 3.5 to 5 hooks. Color tips: hand dyed variegated yarns in jewel tones or rainbow speckles enhance the textures. Use a neutral border to tone down overly busky schemes. For a knit-like sophistication, try cable wrist warmer. These use front post and back post stitches to simulate cable braids, perfect in classic solid tone deep forest green, charcoal, burgundy. They are elegant and timeless, great for gifting or a polished winter look. Add color drama with striped or color block wrist warmers. Strip rows in alternating shades, think cherry bright autumn tones or monochrome gradients. For color blocking, split halfway, top half one color, bottom half another for modern flair. Variegated or gradient yarns work beautifully here too. For something visually graphic, try mosaic crochet, a color work technique that uses 2 or more yarn colors to create geometric patterns by working one color per row. Motifs often include mazes, diamonds, tribal shapes, based in medium or DK weight yarn where high contrast play palettes make the design pop. Granny square gloves are fun and flexible. Create small squares, fold and join with thumb hole and sew the sides. Great for patchwork style using scrap yarn. Use bright combination of pastel depending on style. Some vintage or themed style like Victorian style gloves feature ruffle of bows and are ideal for a special look. Let's talk colors. Here are styling ideas. Neutrals. Gray, navy, cream, timeless and match most outfits. Jewel tones, emerald, sapphire, burgundy, cozy and rich. Pastels, blush, mint, lilac, soft and feminine. Variegated or hand-dyed yarn give a unique artistic flair. To tame busy multicolor yarns, add a neutral trim or border. Everything can be customized. Adjust chain length and row count to fit best wrist circumference and desired length, including thumb hole placement. Use different hook sizes to tweak, quetch, and drape. Combine styles like ribbed curves with lace body or strips with cables. That wraps up our tour of crochet, wrist warmer, or fingerless gloves. From ribbed basics and colorful strips to puff stitch textures, lace shells, cabled elegance, mosaic patterns, granny square fun, and vintage inspired designs. Which pattern and color combo are you planning to try first? Let me know in the comments. Happy crocheting and thank you for watching Home Decors. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.